After years of fierce emotional debate, increasing amounts of objective, non-judgmental research is available. These lines of inquiry are made more difficult because of the complexity of the cannabis plant.
The plant contains hundreds of different molecules, but the cannabis sativa, the cannabis plant, is able to synthesize these cannabinoid compounds.
And even though the drug can affect so many physical aspects of our body, it is the desire for the mental effects of marijuana that has caused it to be the most used illicit psychoactive drug in the world. Researchers have identified two types of receptor sites, the CB1 and CB2 receptors. The CB1 receptors are found primarily in the brain, and their activation results in the psychoactive effects of marijuana. This is because THC mimics anandamide, the endocannabinoid that naturally activates these receptors.
CB2s are found throughout the rest of the body.
As with other psychoactive drugs, marijuana affects a user because its botanical chemicals mimic neurochemicals that exist naturally in the human body, particularly the brain. These internal brain chemicals are called endogenous cannabinoids, or endocannabinoids. The first one discovered was anandamide.
There are 10 times the amount of anandamides in our body, in our brain, as there are the endorphins. So they're involved in a huge range of functions, most of which they are actually working to modulate, to modify by either increasing or decreasing the sensitivity of our mind to certain things.
One part of the brain rich in endocannabinoid receptors is the amygdala, found in the brain's emotional center. A crucial function of the amygdala is to signal a sense of novelty, particularly when one encounters a new situation, idea, or even new surroundings.
Now, if you increase the amount of stimulation, cannabinoid stimulation in the amygdala.
I don't remember the years that I did smoke. I remember the most important things, but the little details.
One area where you find the highest concentration of cannabinoids in the body is the hippocampus.